Hi, folks, on what's otherwise a beautiful Monday in Marietta. This is week 2 of a declaration of emergency here in Cobb County because of the coronavirus COVID-19 situation. So what's been going on? Well, earlier today, Chairman Boyce, along with Parks Director Jimmy Giese, toured the county essentially. They went to all districts of the county, looked at several parks properties and public facilities to see how people are abiding to our parks closure and our declaration of emergency. A lot of debate whether all parks facilities should be closed, but they are. The exception to that, some of the golf courses, Cobblestone Golf Course was open today, although they were operating under severe circumstances with closed clubhouse and food services and mandatory social distancing for all the golfers who came to golf today. And in fact, over the weekend, we did receive some word over the weekend, though, that a lot of the facilities, including the trails, especially the Silver Comet Trail, even though technically closed, were pretty packed with trail goers over the weekend. The chairman was curious as we traveled around today to see if that translated to any of the parks or trails today, although when we showed up at most locations, it was mostly vacant. That includes the East Cobb Park. We went out there, took the drone up for a few shots. It was completely vacant. The parking lots obviously closed off by parks personnel. There was nobody on that particular property. So the chairman said he was pretty happy with what he saw.
I was really pleased today to see that just about everywhere we went, and I went to every district in the county today, people are in fact staying at home. Okay. When we went to several parks. I quit counting how many parks we went to. There were no cars in the parking lot. There weren't people, going around the tape. I was very pleased to see that too. And then thirdly, we do still have some issues with some of the larger essential services, the box companies we call them, about maintaining the social distancing. So we'll be working with public health and the board on Wednesday when I bring them back into session for a work session to talk about what it is we need to do to ensure that even the essential services comply with the spirit and intent of the emergency order.
So again, the Wednesday at 2 o'clock is when the board will meet for its second specially called session on the coronavirus situation here in the county. And one of the debates that they may get into is whether we need to tighten up what is currently in our declaration of emergency. Of course, you can see that document by going to cobbcounty.org, our COVID-19 page. It has the document and some frequently asked questions on there, as well as all the latest information on the situation. The meeting that will be Wednesday, again, 2 o'clock, it is a work session that does not include any public comment typically, but the boardroom will be open to the public. At least 3 of the 5 commissioners will be there in person. The other 2 plan to phone in at this point. They will be able to participate, and you can watch it. In fact, you're urged to watch it on the Cobb TV channels. That includes Facebook, YouTube, cobbcounty.org, as well as the cable channel. If you have Cobb TV, TV 23 on that cable channel, watch it on there. That will follow a meeting we had today with public health officials at the Cobb and Douglas Public Health Facility, where they briefed us on the situation. Unfortunately, the curve is still in that upward swing here in Cobb County and the state of Georgia. We discussed possible ways to flatten that curve and further mitigate the situation. Those items will be discussed in that board meeting Wednesday afternoon at 2 o'clock. A bit of good news at the end of the day. A contractor based out of Gwinnett, but he's got a lot of friends and roots here in Cobb County, Viral Perec, came to donate a lot of hand sanitizer to Cobb County Public Safety that will be used at the EOC and out with police departments as well. Small bottles that are very concentrated, though. They pack a powerful punch. He says they've been formulated to deal with the COVID-19 virus, and he was glad to drop by and donate those to us.
We just handed off 65% alcohol hand sanitizer, which is COVID-19 certified hand sanitizers. So we're very happy to help the community and try to stop the virus, and doing our little part in doing so.
So again, stay with us. cobbcounty.org. Watch the meeting Wednesday at 2 on Cobb TV. We'll have the latest situation as things change here in Cobb County when it comes to battling the coronavirus.